Hello. Welcome to the first official video of my new channel, Lawn Times Coming. Yeah. And on this show, you will learn a lot. It's going to be 100% raw, uncut. I gotta edit it though, but it will. Well, it'll be edited and it'll be cut. I can't do too much in this. First off, I'll introduce myself. My name is B. Davis. Look at this shirt I got, Milorganite. It's not a sponsor. Hopefully soon. Next, what you're gonna learn on this show is how to cut grass or keep it green. Something like that. I'm gonna just take it as it goes. One episode at a time. I'm gonna get it out to you weekly. I'm gonna try to attempt to see how well this goes. And there's the Big Daddy. You'll learn about him later. I'm going to teach you guys about fertilization, how to cut, how high to cut, how low to cut. My channel's going to be a little bit different because I got two types of grass. I have St. Augustine here in the front, and I have Bahia in the back. I'm going to introduce you to St. Aug right here. There's St. Aug. Right there. We're here in Florida, so it's just starting to wake up a little bit more. Now, last week we had some warm days. Today it's a little bit cooler. It's fine because I know some of you people up north isn't having any of this. Y'all saying, listen, you're out here in a shirt and shorts and talking about it's cooler. My backyard, which I'll show you guys, I have Bahia. I call it Bahia. People call it Bahia. That's in the back. Whole different story there. My St. Aug here. We'll work on it. We'll get there. Started today, February, all the way through the whole year, and hopefully beyond. So hopefully you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to cut this first, and I'm going to get some clips, some videos of doing that. As of lawnmowers, I'm working with two different types. I love my Toro. Can't knock it. It's awesome. They have other lawnmowers that's out there that's great too. Hondas, other companies. Me, my personal opinion, I like the Toro. Hey, I'm trying to make a video over here. Come on. It's my neighbor next door. He got a Toro out there too. So I'll take it. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. The Toro 22-inch recliner here with the lawn striper on the back. I like to cut my St. Aug at about 3.5 inches. Nice and high. Keep it nice and thick. I do see some browning out there in the corners. Now, sometimes I do cut my St. Aug and my Bahia with the Big Daddy, the 30-inch Toro Time Master. This gets the job done quicker, faster, and the double blades is a great cut. Today I'm going to use the 22, but some days I will use the 30-inch. I will use the 30-inch in my backyard, my Bahia. I got about 2,500 square feet, and I don't want to be out there all day with that Bahia. Hey! Trying to make this video. Anyways, so today we're going to focus on the 22-inch Toro with the lawn striper. I just bought this from a guy up in Jacksonville. He know who he is, and he's an awesome guy. Bought it for cheap because I am all about Facebook Marketplace shopping. Cheap is where it's at, and used is where it's at also. So I'm going to get it cut. We're going to see how it goes. We'll take it from there. Alright, so here's the cut. First cut, like 90 days or so. This spot here irks my nerves because you might not be able to see it, but I can see where it dips in. It irks me. But overall, it's not a bad cut. That's the lawn striper right there. That's the lawn striper. Wait till I hit it with some of that microgreen or that green punch. Then the game is over. This is what I want to show you guys. Look at this. I want to see, I'll show it from both angles. You can see my section and then Frank's section and everything. So what we want to do is, when you cut, so you can see, look at that, low, high, stripe game. Not all perfect, but it's getting there. Show y'all a little something. He is whacking it. Uh-oh. Go do it. He got the weed whacker. Oh, look at all that. Supposed to have it sideways, but it's not. Oh God, please don't hit me. Please don't come over here. So I want to show you guys the difference when my neighbor was out here edging. Here's my edge. There's his edge. The difference when you edge, look at that right there. I gotta get that up. I need to see the concrete curve into the dirt here. His straight up flares out, weeds and all. That's the difference between dominating and being a dominator. Also, my opinion, I like to blow all of the extra grass in a pile and pick it up. Some people, they like to blow it back. I don't, because I need this edge to be crispy. I need this edge to be fried crispy, just how it is. That's why, that's the difference when you start making our life change. Other than blowing it back in, you blow it in the pile. It might take a little longer, but that's okay. You blow it in the pile, and then you pick it all up, so everybody know you in these streets. Oh man, look at that. Wait a minute. Oh, that's what I call dominating. Oh, look at that point. Bang. All the way up. Bang. Now it's time to get green. First cut in 90 days is always the toughest. But once we hit some green on it, oh, it's going to look like the Jolly Green Giant out here. Call my grass the Hulkster. Yeah. And just like that, I cut, I edged, I weed whacked around the sides, I blew it, and I picked it up. And you can see a sharp edge going on here. Look at that. That's how you edge. Hey, I'm making a YouTube video over here. I'm giving these people unedited and uncut stuff. So I'm gonna just put it out to the world just how it is. No editing. That's my neighbor. He got green grass too. So the key is consistency. If you are consistent with cutting your grass, St. Augustine, you want to cut it high. You want to cut it at 3.5, 4 inches. If you don't know what that is, jack your lawnmower all the way up to the top, to the very top level, leave it there and cut. You might think, oh, it's not cutting anything, but that grass will eventually start to grow, touch them blades, and it'll look smooth like an afro. So consistency with cutting your grass. I'm out here now, this is the start, every couple of days, every 3-4 days or so. You don't have to do that if you don't got time. I find the time. I do, not you guys. Once a week is fine, but if you can get every 5 days or so, that's better to get it in, to get it cut, so that way you'll start seeing a difference. Watering is huge also. You have to water your grass. You might want to go start off maybe 2 to 3 days a week, 15 minutes for 15-20 minutes or so roughly. I water my grass early in the morning, maybe 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning before the sun comes up. Reason because you don't want to water it at night or like this 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. That water will sit, fungus and everything will start growing around. So water it